My name's Lori. I'm 31 years old. I live in Austin, Texas. I am a mother to a beautiful little 3-year-old named Andrea. You're gonna make your hair so pretty today. And I am addicted to sleeping with my blow dryer. I was 8 years old when the first time I remember sleeping with the blow dryer. I used to share a bed with my older sister, Tani, and she, one night, turned on this blow dryer. And the sound of it, the warmth of it, just instantly put me to sleep. And from that night forward, I was hooked. Typically, my nightly routine would just be to get up underneath my covers, turn on my blow dryer on low, and just curl up next to it, feel it on my hands. If I'm cold, I put it on my feet, and then I zone into the sound of it.